Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change voice in iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the general, and then I'm going to go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version so you can get better features and so much more on Apple. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser. Basically, if you want to change voice on iPhone, basically go ahead into your settings and then accessibility, voiceover, and tap speech, and then tap add new language. Tap the language and dialect that you want, tap voice, and then tap the voice that you want to use. Choose either default or enhanced quality. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the accessibility right here, and then you're gonna be able to see a voiceover, right? And then basically voiceover, tap speech. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tap speech, and basically tap add new language right here, and then tap the language that you want, and then basically what you're gonna do, tap voice at the top, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the person that you want, or the voice that you want to use on on your voice. All right, so let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.